Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. So let's see what is this platform. Okay. So through Relevel you can apply to multiple companies. You will get Relevel score after passing the test. Participating in Relevel tournament qualify you to direct interviews at all our partner companies with Relevel score. So the guarantee is that if you pass their online tournament or online test, then their partner companies will contact you for an interview. So that's a very good opportunity. If you're a fresher and of any engineering or business school, it doesn't matter, you can apply to it. So let's see, you can participate from anywhere in India. It is 100% online. Okay, and you are not going to be selected by your resume, means resume shortlisting is not there. They are going to take the test, and if you qualify that, then only you are going to have an interview with them. Okay, so how it works, you are going to have the registration first, and you need to register before 22nd June. And after registration you are going to have prelims. Only 25% are going to qualify this round. So if you will be eligible, then you are going to the next round, which is advanced challenge. So in advanced challenge, experienced interviewers are going to test and ensure that you clear minimum cutoff. And after that, in the fourth round, your result will be announced and you will receive a reliable score and detailed skill report with your strength and weaknesses. So after that, there will be the fifth step, which is placements. Placements are going to be organized by July, and you will start receiving the job offers from partner companies. So you can see here there are 500 plus job opportunities for you guys, and 50 plus companies are there, and you can get up to 15 lakh per annum. And there is a variety of jobs, so you can apply to business development tournament, front end development tournament, or back end development tournament. So if you are good at anything, then you can apply to it. So let's see the eligibility. So if you are having less than 3 years of experience, then you can apply to this tournament. And if you are still in college and will graduate by July 2021, means you are a 2021 pass out, then you can apply to this tournament. So how many winners are there in the tournament? The Relevant tournament aims to assess candidates to get them jobs at their dream companies. And the top 25 percentile will be shortlisted after challenge 3, and the top 75% from the remaining candidates after challenge 5. All candidates finally shortlisted can interview with Revel partner companies. So if you are from the 25% candidates which are shortlisted after challenge 3 and top 75% from the remaining candidate after challenge 5, then you are going to get the interview opportunity with the partner companies. One more thing is important, like, is a job offer assured if I participate in the tournament? If you qualify past the advanced challenge of the tournament, it is assured that you will get final interview invites from our partner companies. However, the final offer will depend on your interviews with respective companies. Okay, so if you clear advanced challenges, then you are eligible for an interview with the partner companies. So that's a very good opportunity, guys. You must apply to this. Now let's see how we can apply to this. So you need to click on this register now button. So from here you can choose business development, front end development, or back end development. Like for example, if you are from business development, then you can click here and you are going to see this page. So there are 300 plus spot at India's finest companies. Some companies are mentioned like Urban Company, Lead Squad, Web Engage, Upgrade. Now you can register from here by clicking this link. I'll provide you this with the description. One more thing I want to tell you, that this is not a free program. If you want to apply to any of the tournament like business development tournament or front end or back end, then you need to pay around 2000 rupees. But it guarantees that if you pass the advanced test, then you are going to get an interview call from the partner companies. So it is a very good opportunity. So if you are eligible and you can afford this price, then you must register for this program. It is a very good opportunity for you guys. So you can register to this program before 22nd June. So register as soon as possible. So you can apply one promo code also, so that your price will decrease by 10%. So the code is TEP10. So after applying the promo code, you will get 10% discount. So now you need to pay only 1800 rupees. So you can pay the amount from here and you will be registered to this program. And one more thing, you can also see the syllabus of the program. Like for business development, you can see their syllabus. So to see the syllabus, we need to go back. Here you can see for business development tournament, there is a syllabus. You can download it. And here some more information is there. Like the placement start on 7th of July. This is the important thing, and tournament is going to be live from 26th June to 4th of July. So that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Also share this video with your friends so that they can also be helped. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.